better to go live.
Hey, good night. Tonight is recap of today. What's today's date, Ali?
April 8th, 2021.
All right. What we got going on here? We got Very up on the board. What happened with Very today, Ali? Please help me out.
Very, Very came out the gate blazing. I mean, Juice, I seen buyers with the size orders of 200 and 300,000 shares at the bid. And this thing flew from like 13 straight up to 16 and ran into a halt, and I missed it. I was so upset.
Was you sleeping?
I watched it. I looked at it, and it made the move so fast. I wasn't prepared to pull the trigger. I had it up on my montage and my chart, and I just didn't pull the trigger. I wanted to assess what was going on first. And it went so fast, and it ran into a halt. By the time it came out of that halt, I didn't even decide to get into it because I was watching another stock.
And it jumped out of the halt at 16.33 and went straight to 17 and change.
Wow. And then
almost to 20 bucks.
It went to $21. I see it went there, and I missed all of that meat. I mean, I could have literally been done with the day in, what is that, 10, 15 minutes? I would have been done. I hit my daily goal and left. But I missed this trade. I'm so upset. It's like crazy. It's the FOMO. But I see I could have shorted. I went to try to short this, but the locates were expensive. They was like $34 for 100 shares.
Oh,
I didn't
wow.
want to pay for it. And it would have paid off. I should have
Very easily, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
what about rice? How did rice make out today?
Oh yeah, RICE. That was an incredible stock. This is, I think, a SPAC deal with emerging two energy companies where they're going to be stronger than their competitors. So people need to look into the news with this because it came out the gate. This is the one I traded. I actually traded it short on a rejection at 15, and I covered out at about 13.98. And I had a little bit of shares on left, and it curled back up, but I wound up cutting that trade for a loss. And then I left it alone for the day. But as you can see, it held the entire day. So it came out of like $10. And in the pre-market at about 8 o'clock, they cut the lights on. And this thing flew from like $10 all the way to $15.91. I think it went to a high. Right. So it shook out a little bit. But as you can see, this is a SPAC deal with emerging two clean energy companies. And you probably need to look into this. We'll keep this on watch for tomorrow and see what happens, because it was some super big buyers on this one. But and the volume was incredible. Over 100 million shares exchanged. And yeah, this is the one I traded. I wound up going after this one. It was something I could manage more. And the other one, I just felt like it was too wild for me. I felt afraid of it. I didn't know how to deal with it. So I focused on this.
Well, you did a great job, Dan. You did a great job. Also, there's one more stock I want to talk about. This stock here, CMMB, it moved very powerful with very little volume. It was very quiet. I was just looking around. My foot was up on the desk, and about 2 o'clock, I seen it go off, and then bang, I got in about $31.99. I got in almost $32, and it just started shooting forward. It didn't turn back. It didn't slow down. It shot all the way up. When I seen it got here, it started getting a little top heavy, and I seen it backing down. So I got out around 65 bucks. You know, I lost a little bit because it went all the way up to about 70 bucks.
Yeah.
Went to 72. But I was trying to see what's going to go more. But right here, I seen the rejection candle, and I decided to find my way out of it. So I got out around 65 bucks. A nice little $33 move. Very
incredible move, man. That's a dope move, man. That's super dope. I'm happy.
My foot was on it. I didn't even take my foot up the desk. It moved so comfortably and relaxed. I was just like, wow.
Recline trading.
Easier than that. Archon also made a nice move today.
Usual suspect, yeah.
Yeah, I had my eyes on it from early. I seen it shoot up. I jumped on it early. I seen it. I got off at about 8:50, right when it started giving me this short signal right here, and it fell out. You know, I was already out the way. I was already eating lunch by this. So
nice move. Archon, we was watching that one for a while as well. That one been popping up in the last few days.
Right. And one more of our favorites is this Isaiah.
Oh yeah,
Isaiah did a great job. It came out of the bell. It looked like it was going to fail. And then boom, at around 10 o'clock, not even 10 o'clock, that's about 9:55, it just made a powerful move from 4.30 all the way up to around almost $5, chilled out a little bit, faked out a few people, and then it started to squeeze again. Faked out again, went back down to the 20, and then started to squeeze again, then just calmed down at the end of the day. So
nice
Isaiah, actually, it closed pretty powerful anyway. So
IZEA, nice move, nice move. All right, man. I mean, the S&P came back up strong, heavy. I think the Nas is coming up, and the other markets as well. Cryptos has been doing their thing for the last few days, jumping back up. Jerome Powell, I think, was talking about he's trying to stifle off inflationary rates. So again, that had the market running. So it just turned on a little late, but it got it cooking now. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, man. I'm looking forward to tomorrow, see if I can get catch some dope moves and put some more money away.
Yeah, the market closed pretty powerful tonight. So anybody else, y'all have any questions, leave your questions down below. Leave your comments down below. Share it to your friends. Share it to your family. Like it. Subscribe. Rock with it. Musclehead Trading. Ali and Dr. Juice. We're out.